Bitcoin has just broke some all-time highs. Today, we're going to take a look at some price action and price predictions. Welcome to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm a new presenter here, Umar. What's up? Today, we're taking a look at Bitcoin, price action, price prediction, and all that jazz. With the Bitcoin halving days away, we're seeing some bullish momentum happen in the news and on the charts for Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at some news today. We're going to take a look at some charts today, some technical analysis, and then price prediction. Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. And let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. So we can see, guys, the crypto market has been re-entered into extreme greed. For the past week or two now, we've been dancing around with extreme greed and greed, as you can see here. And right now the sentiment is extreme greed, which is great to see, as more people will be pulling money into the markets, hence pumping the price of a lot of coins, including Bitcoin. Also, the Bitcoin halving is approximately 24 days away. And guys, this is causing a lot of institutional money to make massive buys. Essentially, what's going to happen is once the halving takes place, all the mining is going to be half its production, which is going to just make Bitcoin that much harder to mine. And also, with the demand of Bitcoin right now and the capped supply, this is great for the price. That's why we're seeing Bitcoin pump so heavily. As you can see on the chart, guys, Bitcoin is currently at $71,414.95, up 6% on the day. On the week, we can see up a solid 10%, and on the month, Bitcoin has been up over 38%. And it's crazy to see that we have surpassed previous all-time highs. And guys, I think this is just the beginning. I want to take an in-depth look at the chart here, guys, and show you and highlight a couple things. So when in doubt, zoom out, and let's do that completely. Okay, in 2018, we saw one of the first mainstream bull markets where it hit the news and people start to invest in cryptocurrency. That's actually when I first got into crypto myself, when I saw Bitcoin hitting all-time highs of approximately 18 to 20,000 US dollars. Then we saw a bear market, a decently long bear market as well, and then we saw it pop up again in 2021, as you can see here, right? Look at this peak versus this peak over here. We had $18,000 and 20,000. Let's round up to $20,000 Bitcoin, and then a new high reaching $64,000. Then it crashed a bit and pumped again, because the last bull run was different to the bull run prior to that. And I anticipate the same thing is going to happen this bull run. When looking at this chart, guys, we can see if we are seeing, where would I say we are right now compared to last bull run? We're definitely somewhere around here or here, because if history repeats itself and we had $18,000 Bitcoin 2 bull runs ago, and last bull run, we basically 3x in price. Are we going to 3x in price from last bull run? It's quite possible, guys. As we see the chart, we see some solid basing throughout the bear market with decent pumps as well. This is one of those bear markets where the crypto was still actively getting pumped because institutions are re-entering. And here's the thing with institutions entering the market, guys. We are going to see crypto like we've never seen it before. Before, it's always a retail investor investing in Bitcoin, but now with massive money, massive institutions coming into crypto, it's a bit scary in the sense that there could be manipulation going on, but also the amount of money that's funneling into the markets has never been seen before. I want to show you guys some pretty solid news. So just in, the London Stock Exchange confirms it will launch trading of Bitcoin exchange traded note ETN on May 24, 2024. So London is now adding Bitcoin to the stock exchange, which is absolutely insane. Essentially, this is like a exchange listing, quote unquote, for a sense that now people could buy Bitcoin in the stock market as well. And looks like this is not through an ETF. This is going to be an exchange trade note. So you're basically trading your money. It's like paper trading, which is absolutely insane, because obviously London has a large market there, and the stock exchange has obviously billions and billions of dollars. So that's pretty solid, okay? That's one set of news. So breaking news, South America gold and precious metal producer Neom Resources announcements that it's planned to purchase 24,800 Bitcoin, approximately $1.7 billion. They'll enter letters to intend an acquire of 24,000 Bitcoin. This is not to take into account for the ETFs have been buying in. This is not to take into account for the stock exchange listing, but an individual, or I guess you could say a country, now aping into Bitcoin as well. In terms of BTC technical analysis, guys, we can see the moving averages are extremely strong right now. We're seeing sells at 0, neutral at 1, buys at 14. The oscillators also closer to neutral, and overall summary showing a great sentiment to buy. We've been seeing so much buying action take place, guys. It's absolutely insane. As you can see, some of these green candles, it's just absolutely pumping. Every time we see solid red candles, we're seeing green candles to take its place. Some solid pumping action take place. Literally every time it dips, we're seeing stronger and stronger recoveries with more and more money entering the market. In terms of price prediction, guys, we're seeing Robert Kiyosaki, author of a famous self-help book Rich Dad Poor Dad, predicts Bitcoin hitting 100K by September, plans to buy now this week as halving nears. So Rich Dad Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki has updated his Bitcoin price prediction. He now anticipates the cryptocurrency hitting 100K by September. Now, guys, in my personal opinion, not that I'm a financial advisor, I think that is a more conservative bet. I think a six-figure Bitcoin is inevitable, but to wait to September, I feel is far-fetched. I feel we're going to hit the bull market closer to the beginning of summer, June, July. And by June, July, August, if Bitcoin is not at least at $100,000, I'd be absolutely in shock. The reality is we're at 70,000 right now, 24 days away from the Bitcoin halving. In 24 days, exactly is when I predict to see a six-figure Bitcoin. But obviously, this is not financial advice, but there's some solid basis to this, guys, because the basis for that price prediction is in 24 days, the Bitcoin halving takes place. And that's officially when, again, the halving would have occurred, right? So mining Bitcoin is going to be so much more difficult, and the scarcity and price and news that's going to accumulate due to the halving is going to absolutely push Bitcoin to the moon. Now, talking about pushing Bitcoin to the moon, here is your 100x opportunity. I want to quickly highlight this project, guys. Green Bitcoin, the future of predict to earn huge early rewards. So Green Bitcoin introduces revolutionary gamified green staking, allowing for exponential rewards and up to 100% token bonuses, new challenges live every single week. So essentially, guys, if you love Bitcoin, here's a Green Bitcoin pre-sale that you can get into now, guys. And we've been seeing some massive success with these pre-sale coins, as you can see on this channel. In yesterday's Solana video, we covered 7 meme coins that passed $100 million in market cap in just pre-sales alone. And Green Bitcoin could be added to that list. They've already raised over $9 million, and this coin is launching in 2 days and 13 hours. Your last chance to buy before the pre-sale ends, locking in that solid pre-sale price. So total GBTC staked is 7.8 million, 63% of it staked, 74% rewards, and 1.3 million total rewards. So what is the Green Bitcoin rewards? Gamified green staking. Bitcoin Green is a crypto project that introduces an incredibly new concept of gamified green staking. Our innovation staking platforms allow you to earn big by predicting Bitcoin trends, just like we were doing in this video. With more groundbreaking gamification on the horizon, this offers cryptocurrency veterans and beginners as a unique chance to transform their marketing insights or gut feelings into impressive green Bitcoin earnings. Stay tuned to get ready to engage in multiple prediction options and diverse staking strategies, all designed for your success. So essentially, guys, they are gamifying the price prediction of Bitcoin, where we might be studying charts, having fun, predicting these patterns when we want to buy in, but now it gives you an alternate earning opportunity, mixing gaming with Bitcoin in the green space. They feature in a ton of different articles and online, so it has great press release, and they're mixing green eco with gamification, which is so awesome to see. So Green Bitcoin, the eco-friendly alternative. We see Green Bitcoin versus Bitcoin, proof of work versus proof of stake, energy 34 watts versus 1.7 million watts. The rewards, yes, and then obviously no for Bitcoin, and gamification, yes, and obviously no for Bitcoin. So guys, if you don't want to miss out on this massive opportunity, this pre-sale is ending in 2 days, go ahead and use the link in the description below. We've been seeing some massive success with these pre-sale gems, and you might want to grab a bag. Like always, guys, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing in any of the projects we cover on this channel. As for the Bitcoin price prediction, guys, what are your thoughts? I want to know in the comment section below. Let's gamify this video. Do you think we're going to see a $100,000 Bitcoin within the next 45 days? Or are you thinking more conservative that would see 100,000 Bitcoin by September, like Robert Kiyosaki said? I want to know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. That pretty much wraps up the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.